Okay, so in this particular question, it is given that y is equal to p into e to the power ax plus q into e to the power bx, and using this value we have to show that d2y by dx square minus a plus b into dy by dx plus ab into y is equal to 0. So whenever you have to solve such question, the best idea is to start with y. Y is already known, right? It is already given in the question. Now using that value of y, find d2y by dy by dx, and then using that value find d2y by dx square. And just substitute all these values in your LHS portion and see whether on solving we get 0 or not. Okay, so that's what we will be doing in this question. We already know that y is what? Y is equal to p into e to the power ax plus q into e to the power bx. This is our first equation. If I differentiate both sides, I will get what? I will get dy by dx value. So dy by dx now becomes equal to a into p into e to the power ax plus b into q into e to the power bx, right? This is very easy differential. Alright, so if I differentiate this second equation once again, I will get d2y by dx square. Okay, on differentiation what will happen? I will get a square into p into e to the power ax plus b square into q into e to the power bx. This becomes my third equation. So from this, I am just substituting everything in my LHS, which I have to prove. Okay, so what will happen? Let us consider this. Okay, so d2y by dx square I have to take as it is. So I am just considering my LHS portion. It will look like this: a square into p into e to the power ax plus b square into q into e to the power bx minus a plus b into dy by dx. Now dy by dx is a into p into e to the power ax plus b into q into e to the power bx, and the last quantity has to be a into b into y. Now y is what? Y is just p into e to the power ax plus q into e to the power bx. So just open this bracket and solve. Everything will get cancelled out, right? For instance, if I multiply this thing, I will get a square into p into ax with a negative sign, which will cancel out with this first term. If I multiply b in the second thing, it will become minus b square into q into e to the power bx, which will cancel out with this thing. And similarly, the other two quantities will cancel out with ab into p into e to the power ax and ab into q into e to the power bx, and your resultant quantity will become equal to 0, which you have to